YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Dirty Rocks back with that real street news. Hey man, welcome back to Book of Street TV. Hey, I'm back. I told you I'm dropping these videos, man, on a regular. Man, shout out and salute to everybody who's stuck around with your boy. Special shout out to all the haters, man. Keep on hating. I love the comments. Hey, look, today I want to talk about this man, Sayso P. Sauce Walka artist Sayso P. He was gunned down in his hometown of Memphis. And in the same situation, that boy, Sauce Walka was shot, allegedly stood over, and his life was spared. But the initial reason, the talk on the streets, is that boy Sayso P ran off with somebody's bag down in Memphis, and this was simply get back. Now, his mother has come out, and she has some words for the people who killed that boy, her son, and she seems to know something what's going. She seems to know a little bit what's going on. She ain't saying too much, but she's saying a lot at the same time. Now, she's telling everybody it has nothing to do with no money. Her son ain't never stole nothing, robbed nobody. And she also seems to think or know that he was set up by somebody close to him, somebody who was jealous of him, who felt like that he should have gave him more, took him places. This is coming out of her home after so many words. She know that the back door was open. She may even know who it was opened by. And she's letting it be known to look. She don't care. You can call her a po-po, you can call her whatever, but she's gonna push this to the max. She says she's at the states, the police officers every day, the feds door. Anybody who wanna listen, she's kicking in doors they ain't never been kicked in, she said. And she ain't gonna take her foot off the neck of the guys who did this until they are all done. And she said she wants the person who set them up even more than she wants the person who killed them. This is all coming off the back of the release of the second suspect. They got that picture of the second suspect, man, and he's at large. And she's not even worried about them peons. She wants the person who set them up. She knows that person right there is somebody. That's somebody that her son trusted. You know what I'm saying? So she wants to make sure that person right there is held responsible. Let me go ahead and play this clip, man, of Sayso P's mama addressing the killers of her son. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, cut on the post notification, man. Yeah, it's just a sad situation, boy, but rest in peace to boy Sayso P. Subscribe to the channel. Jump in that comment section. Let me know what you think about what Moms has to say. Is she right? Is she wrong? What would you do in this situation? You hear me? Let's go ahead and get into Sayso P's mom, man. One.
Ain't nothing you can come behind it with that's going to hurt me or stop the pressure I'm finna put on these folks to be on your head. The money I'm finna put in these streets for motherfucking tips and leads and for a motherfucker to snitch on you. Ain't nothing you can do to stop me from coming at your ass. I'm going to be on the feds next. I'm talking about I'm going to be at Congress. I'm going to be knocking on the Senate door and the Senate floor. I'm talking about I'm going to be in places you didn't know a motherfucker could go to press an issue on a case. And I ain't got to be in front of no news cameras. Ain't got to be on no podcast. Ain't got to be nowhere. Coming for you. Just know that. Ain't gonna never let up. Ever. And guess what? You ain't stop shit. Cause the kid, y'all must just see how Sayso put it together. He was trying to tell you, watch how Sayso put this shit together. Man, he done put some shit together that's gonna make sure he live on. Gonna make sure his legacy live on. Every time you look up, you're gonna see him. Just hold on, hold your horses. I'm too busy on your necks right now. But I'm talking about every time you look up, you're going to have to see him. Hell, I'm sure you see him now. He right here in my face. Still laughing at you. Ain't ain't it, man? Still laughing at you. Because I swear that's my twin. Y'all got the right one. I mean, you really, really spent time out of your life and money and energy to go out your way to kill somebody who wasn't bothering you. For what? Y'all pitiful. Them ninjas pitiful. I'm talking about you, whoever you is. When people die, all kind of stuff come out. They fake friends. Certain people who supposed to be their friends. Some people disappear and show their true colors. Some people been recording in their studio for a month, ain't been seen since they died. Some people laying in their house sleeping on their couch. Sleeping on this couch. Some people laying the red carpet for making sure they move correctly and got everything they need when they traveling. Some people he done house, paid bills for. I mean, some people, mamas he done helped take care of. It always show when somebody dies who was genuine and who wasn't. I'm paying attention to everything. Everything. Sick of y'all. Whole asses. I see what I said. Sick of you. And I know. I raised my kids in church. I know all about it. Talk to God. He gonna make it better. I'm ready to... let me tell y'all this. I'm most definitely gonna always talk to God. Right now, we having it out. Pray for them. Help the bear. Pray for them ninjas because they gonna need it.
Let me show you the accuracy of God.
Whoever fucked with my son is gonna need Jesus. That's who they gonna need to call. Motherfucker don't need to call me telling me to call Jesus. They gonna need to be calling on Jesus. And if they ain't careful, somebody gonna help arrange the meeting between them and the good Lord. Cause karma don't... You ain't getting away when you do shit like this. You ain't getting away. You ain't getting away. Somebody gonna arrange your meeting next. That's just how the world works. Or your mama, or your cousin, your sister, your brother. God don't like ugly. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be at homicide though. I'm gonna be at the federal office. Them federal agents call me the popo hoe. Cause I'm gonna be down there making sure they get you. Cause I want them to get you before the streets get you. That's what I want. This one time, I'm advocating for the popos to win. Because I want to know who sent you. I want to know whatever fake ass people he had around him may have had a hand in it. See, that's what I want. I don't want all you to end up somewhere in the ground somewhere. That ain't what I want. I want them to catch you, and who sent you, and whatever little cross was thrown in there, whatever homie, whatever friend, little partner had something to do with it. Because it was definitely a cross in there. It was a cross in there, and it was somebody who sent y'all. I'm talking to you too. I want you too. I want that cross bad though. I want that cross bad. Because that means he trusted you. And I ain't gonna risk. I ain't no killer. I ain't gonna be out here in the streets like I'm finna kill nobody, hurt nobody. I don't even advocate for that. I didn't raise my kids like that. But I ain't gonna cry. I ain't crying if something happen to you. I'm just saying that I hope that they catch you. Because I want you to be miserable. I want your whole life to crumble in front of you. I don't want it to be quick. That ain't what I want. I don't want you to just die quick. I want you to live a miserable life suffering and everything connected to you to suffer. And I ain't gonna even say that because I don't wish this on anybody else's parents. Even my worst enemies. I don't wish what I'm going through even on your mother. See, it's a difference between me and my son and you. So I ain't even gonna say that. But I definitely want y'all to suffer. Oh yeah, karma gonna be on their ass.